What up, guys? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and we back with another video, guys. Today we're going to be talking about the equipment. Now, one of these two cars, but we're gonna come over here. I want to show y'all my little thing I got going on here, man. This is it right here. Yo, for those of y'all who wondering, man, the Buick is still here. Still got the Buick. Then I have to get rid of the Buick to get this truck and this trailer. So, man, I got this whole setup here, man, to try to start a lawn care service or business. But not even try. I'm doing it. So yeah, man, it's gonna be up in the making very soon. Don't want to put too much information out there just yet, but you know, I do want to get that service going on. So yeah, man, without further ado, this is a 6x10 2020 enclosed trailer. It's a landscaping trailer, so it has the height for when you walk in. You ain't really gotta bend over or anything. So it has the ramp on the back so you can bring out your lawn equipment without having to lift it up. So we're gonna come on in here and boom. We got an MZ48 commercial Husqvarna mower. Yo, I love Husqvarna, man. I'm dealing with all of that stuff. No, I'm not sponsored by them or whatsoever, but I am dealing with all Husqvarna. So as you guys know, this is two-time Moto TV, so we're gonna talk about anything with motors, wheels. It ain't gotta have a motor, it got wheels on it. So yeah, we're gonna talk about it. So anyway, yeah guys, got the MZ48. So the 48 number means the deck width, which is a 48 inch, and it's a clear cut deck. This is a commercial mower, so I don't have to worry about it overheating or breaking down or doing any of that other stuff for cutting lawns and stuff all day, guys. They got a very comfortable seat. It almost look like a seat you'll put in like a boat or something, like a bass boat. For you guys that know about that, yes, I got my protective equipment here. It's also by Husqvarna. It comes with the earmuffs, the face shield, bring the face shield down over the helmet. Got the hard head as well. And I will be changing these muffs out. They also have some that you can play your music through. So I'm gonna be getting those, cause I'll be feeling a little lonely sometimes, you know, when I ain't doing nothing but hearing grass getting cut and I don't hear anything else. So you know, it get kind of lonely in your own head sometimes. You know what I'm saying? So you know, you gotta play a little bit of music, you know, make the day go by, whatever. So anyway, without further ado, I got a 525 LK. This is a trimmer, but this is a detachable trimmer. So this is one of the best trimmers that they have. This is also commercial. Everything that I'm showing you guys is commercial grade, so I don't want to keep having to say the word commercial. But anyway, I can detach this head here and put on a pole saw head, which is that head that you see there, or that brush. It's a brush cutter. I got two of them over there. I'll show you guys that in just a second. But yeah, guys, this is a great weed eater. I done had a lot of fun with it thus far. It has a ton of power. Also with this mower is very fast. It just want to get up and go, want to do the job and get up out of there. It has a Kawasaki motor on it, 23 horsepower. Kawasaki. Now the other one that you can get up in this style here is a Briggs & Stratton, but that's a different kind of motor. I love Kawasaki. Kawasaki done me great over the years. And I had Kawasaki dirt bikes and everything like that, you know, 2-stroke, boom, boom, bam. Yeah, man, Kawasaki is great. So yeah, up here, as you guys seen up in the last video, we built this shelf here, and this shelf has came in handy because I did have all of this stuff down here. Now you guys like, yo, yeah, I was trying to fit a lot of stuff in here, man, and then I'm having to go around stuff and bend over, pick stuff up and move stuff out of the way. So yeah, man, this shelf has definitely come in handy. This shelf was easy to build if you guys want to check out my last video. I have two 1-gallon cans here, and that is for my 1-gallon oil that I mix with the gas to put in the trimmer. And that's about all that I use these for. I do have a 2.5 gallon Sure Cane here that I've yet to use. As you can see, it's still got the tag, everything is locked out, everything. I got the 5-gallon gas cans here. They are pretty good, yo. The only thing you do, you push this up, you push that in, and then, you know, you just pour your gas or whatever, and it keeps the gas trapped in there, so you ain't gotta worry about spraying that out or anything. So I have 2 of those with 89 unleaded inside, so I can run all of my mowers and stuff, which is only really this mower, which is push mower Troy built, and that they're 0 turn. I have my string here, which is also made by Husqvarna. This is actually some pretty good string. It was $40. Yes, it's high as heck, but you get a lot of string on it. It lasts a pretty long time. This is the only thing electric that I have as far as anything long equipment that I do have now. I went electric with that because I didn't want everything gas and having to deal with all of that gas, you know, just doing, you know, your daily stuff. So this hedge trimmer here, man, is a 80 volt cobalt brushless hedge trimmer. This thing right here will cut through some mean branches. Now I done cut through stuff like that big with ease. Like it slices through it like butter. So yeah, I have no issues with this thing. It also lasts about an hour and a half, a little bit longer than that at full speed. This here's the battery. It comes with a charger and everything. This thing right here was about close to 300 bucks. But yeah, man, it's worth every penny. I'm glad that I didn't go with a gas hedge trimmer. Like I said, everything else that I have here is gas. This here is the bush hog that I was talking about. You guys can see the blade on that. I've yet to use that, but I do have a few properties coming up that I will have to use that. This pole saw has been utilized a lot, as you guys can see. There's a lot of sawdust in there. This pole saw is by Husqvarna as well. So these 2 attachments go inside of this trimmer here. So it's not just a trimmer, which I can't call it that, but the motor setup has a detachable there, so you can basically call this thing here anything. The only thing you really is dealing with is the motor, and you can just buy these attachments separately. But this trimmer did come together like this, and I did have to buy this pole saw and this bush hog by itself. So yeah. Now yes, this is a Troy built push mower. I may go with another one and then just keep this one as my residential mower, because this is the residential mower that I started off with my own home. So I will probably go with something with a wider base so I can cut more lawn, and something a little bit more powerful than what this thing is. This thing is a 163 cc's, which is not bad. That's actually pretty good. Troy built. I don't have any trouble starting this mower. It's also self-propelled. That's what this lever there is for. It's self-propelled, and so I don't have to, you know what I'm saying, push the daggone thing myself, man, which is also a good thing. But I do want something with a little bit wider base, probably a little bit more power, so I can cut through and actually lower the mower how far that I want, whenever I want, and actually cut through anything. Guys, this thing right here is a 570 BT blower. This thing here is amazing. Probably my second favorite out of all of the pieces that I have in here. Is my second favorite right here. You know, the mower is gonna be, you know, number 1, because, you know, this thing right here is just a beast. But anyway, yeah, man, this blower here, man, that thing is like a tornado that hit a lawn. So I don't have to sit there for hours and just keep going back and forth just to try to get leaves up. This thing will even pick up wet leaves and blow it out of the way, man. That thing right there is phenomenal. I also have a little hedge clipper over there, and a what you call it over there? Yeah, it's a little manual, yeah, wood splitter or whatever you want to call it, man. Like I said, I don't use it much, so I'm forgetting the names of all this stuff because I'm trying to keep up with the names of everything. But yeah, man, you guys get the point, man. An axe. That's what I meant to say, a daggone axe. I'm having to think about the names of everything and having to break down in detail, and I can't even think of something so daggone simple, but it's all good, man. This video is gonna keep running. But guess what? Good news, man. I got a little skylight here to let a little extra air in so I don't be suffocating in this joker, man. Got a little skylight. Also got a little light that came with it. Little light switch over there to the side. I don't know why this is there when I have that there to push. So I mean, I guess if you want tall enough, but daggone, I doubt if a little kid, shoot, 3 foot is going on. I mean, you never know though. But anyway, yeah, man, let me stop talking. Anyway, yeah, so guys, that is the whole 9 in the inside. and then you close it up. And as you guys know, I got my locks. I got my locks and everything to put back. So yeah, man, don't even try it. Anyway, boom, we come up over here, unlock the side door, and then I have access to my push mower. Usually this mower is up a little bit more, you know, but I did this to counteract the weight because I know I didn't have any more work to do that day. So I just put all of the weight on the tongue up here, which don't really matter, but I can feel it when I'm towing, so it don't feel like I'm tugging stuff. I can just pull it with ease. So yeah, guys, let's close that. This here is a 2002 Chevrolet Silverado Z71 off-road truck. Yo, I got this thing for a deal and for a steal. This truck only had 200,000 miles on it, which that is low for a 2002 truck, and how much I paid for it. I'm not gonna tell you guys how much I paid for it, because you know what I'm saying, that's a little secretive. But anyway, man, you hop up in here, yo, everything is in great condition. This thing is pretty clean. As you guys can see, the floor, everything is pretty clean. I got even like a couple little storage compartments or whatever. This thing even came with a little power programmer, if you guys can see that. I've yet to use it, but this is what it came with. It got all of the stuff to plug up in the OBD2 sensor. But before I start it up, this is the suicide door cab kind of ordeal. Now I'll show you all that. There go my homeboy right there pulling up. Hold on, man, I'm making a video, man. I'm making a video. Yeah, as y'all can see, man, you got the charge out here. Yeah, man. Anyway, we about to do a little work today as well. Ah, oh yeah, man. He blacked these tail lights out, man. That joker do look pretty good though. Yeah, she's sick. She's sick, bro. You already know. Go on, pull around, man. I'll talk to you. But yeah, man, this is the back. Sorry about that. But you know, man, we got to keep these videos original, man, instead of cropping and chopping all the daggone time. I got a rake, I got a hoe, and a shovel back here, and then I got some blocks just in case I need to leave the trailer anywhere up on the hill or whatever. That's the old little post, you know what I'm saying, that I had back here. The guy said that thing was pretty much homemade, so I went on ahead and got another tow hitch. This thing came with some true duals on the back. I got some nice pipe work up on this thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up for y'all, man, let y'all hear it. Sounds freaking fantastic. Hey, she run like a sewing machine too, man. Let me tell y'all. Oh, yo, without further ado, got 2 high, 4-wheel drive high and 4-wheel drive low. And I got the auto 4-wheel drive. And you know, I got all the cargo lamps, man. This thing is definitely fully loaded. Comes with, you know, everything fully loaded, on star as well. Yeah, man, everything inside is fully loaded. Also got 3 charging ports. This right here is one of my chargers for my head trimmer right there, so I just plug up the charging base to it and keep it pushing, man, and ain't gotta worry about if anybody got a power outlet or whatnot. But yeah, man, let's listen to this sewing machine up under here. Now, I know what you guys gonna say. I know what you're gonna say. I didn't do anything to this motor, man. I didn't do nothing to it. I am kind of against cold air intake. I don't care if it's K&N or whatever. I still don't put it on my vehicles. But this thing came with a K&N cold air intake. Yeah, it gotta be cleaned a little bit. But anyway, yeah, man, it came with this thing, man. But this is the 5.3, the 5.3 liter V8 4-wheel drive. Thing run like a sewing machine, man. 200,000 miles on it. Y'all won't believe what I got this truck for. Nothing wrong with it. And it came with the big boy tires, and I mean the rims ain't big boy, but you know what I'm saying, it came with the big boy tires on it. I'm gonna have a time replacing these things when I gotta replace it, but guess what, I ain't gotta replace it no time soon, because it came with tread on all of these bad boys. Yes sir. Got some nice little wheels. They are VTEC wheels. I don't know you truck guys, I know y'all probably know about that. I don't know too much about it. But yeah, man, I plan on doing some things to this truck as well. So this is a new addition to the channel. So man, y'all definitely stay tuned with this. This thing is gonna get a little bit more power in it on my program. Probably do a little Diablo tuner, you know what I'm saying? Little things, little scuffles here and there, man. But yeah, I definitely want to do something with the suspension with this truck as well. Because as y'all can see, when I'm towing stuff, The back end kind of want a little, want to scoot a little bit, but guess what, man? We're gonna pick that up. We're gonna probably keep that the same. But if I do another lift on this truck and want to probably bring the tires out somewhere, I probably won't do that because I already got a car that does that. So I'll probably keep the tires and the rims how it is. But I do want to lift the back of it up a little bit so she don't look like she's scooting like that because I'm pulling weight. So if I can get something sturdy enough, like some better leaf springs, y'all can see right there to go back here, probably take that spare tire out, man, because that's giving me a little bit more weight. Probably take that out. Oh yeah, and this thing came with a toolbox and everything, man. Like I said, fully loaded. Got the bed liner in it as well. Bed liner's in great condition. The only thing is there's a little bit of rust right here, but man, that comes from anything American that you buy that's a truck, man. You can even see brand new stuff that's like a 2015 that got that little rust on it. Man, I can knock that out. That's on a rocker panel. I can just knock that out or just get a whole nother rocker panel, man, and put it up underneath there. Same with the other side. They got that little rust spot in the back. But man, not a big deal. Hey man, step on the gas a little bit, but not too much. I'm just saying, don't OD on it. No, I mean, go ahead and hit it. Yeah. Uh-huh. One more time.